Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Thursday, May the 24th, 2018. And today, in our Tech News Update, we have Windows 10 Cumulative Update that was actually released yesterday, May the 23rd. And, well, on my side, it kind of made my computer unusable. So I will be probably reinstalling Windows completely today. And I am unsure yet of the live shows for this afternoon. So let me just think about it and see what I'm going to do. But right now I'm in a situation where I really need to actually reinstall Windows on my PC. That's kind of the most important thing for now. So yep, cumulative update. I don't know how it went for you guys, but it fixes a number of issues, including the solid-state drive problems from Intel and Toshiba. And of course, if you wanted to go to the April 2018 update, what is recommended is that if you have an Intel or Toshiba SSD, wait until May the 25th. That's when the update will be integrated into the update. And well, if you had that update or you have that update showing, let me know how it goes, as I'm doing my tech news from my Insider machine right now, which is kind of awkward. Microsoft Edge, of course, Microsoft is coming back at it again, saying that Microsoft Edge is the best and fastest version of any browser, but not just that. It says, once again, that it's the best for battery life. So if you're on Microsoft Edge, apparently you get better battery life. And they wanted to kind of, say that again for the April 2018 update, as, they kind of want to say it from time to time. Well, we're 24 hours away from the General Data Protection Regulation rules, and we're looking at how many, companies, and I mean the majority of companies still don't know exactly what all of that is about. So it's going to be interesting to see the first few months of this new regulation, as we will have much more protection for users. And a lot of companies don't even know where to start and what to look at in order to comply, which is also another problem happening right now with this new GDPR rules. So it's going to be interesting. And it all starts in just a few hours' time. I say 24 hours, but it's less than that, where the GDPR will actually take effect. So it's going to be interesting to see tomorrow. Well, Facebook has announced that it is actually going and helping you do two-factor authentication. Of course, two-factor authentication is good because it helps you in basically staying safe on your accounts. Well, before you had to, enter a code that was sent to you by a phone. Well, now Facebook will accept authentication apps like Google Authenticator, for example. Well, if you had your battery replaced in your iPhone last year and paid full price, you might be entitled for a $50 rebate. So if you have an iPhone, if you have replaced the battery at full price, why not head on to Apple's website or an Apple store and see if you can get that little refund. A interesting story that is unfolding, as yesterday we were talking about a malware, VPN filter type malware, that was actually infecting 500,000 routers. And now we learned that the FBI has seized and removed the domain that was behind the attack. Of course, it seems that it's Russian hackers that are actually doing that. Problem is, the attacks, of course, now will stop, but the problem is the 500,000 routers that are infected are still infected, and those can still have tons of problems. A interesting patent that was showing up for Apple shows that Siri will soon be able to give smart replies to people who call you or text you when you're not available to get the phone. Latest patent is also showing that many types of replies and many ways to interact, meaning that we're going to try to make Siri maybe better than it is already, because it's pretty crappy right now. Android P, other little hints showing that more and more, the evidence is showing that Android P will actually force phone makers and carriers to actually push security updates much more than before, meaning your next phone with this new version of Windows of Android might actually be safer than before. So waiting for a PlayStation 5, of course, lots of speculation here. Some people saying 2018, others 2019. Well, Sony just wanted to let you know that it will be at least 3 years before the next one, if there is a PS5. There is really just rumors, and there is absolutely no evidence that maybe PS5 is coming, but there might be a PS5 after all also. So don't think you'll get it right now. It's going to be at least another 3 years, apparently. Vivo, if you are watching music videos on YouTube, and if you are using an app, because Vivo app exists for Android and iOS, the app will stop working soon, as Vivo wants you to just, use the YouTube app to watch music videos. It seems that they are kind of removing themselves and kind of integrating themselves a little more into what YouTube is. After all, Vivo is a YouTube channel. And this was the Tech News Update for Thursday, May the 24th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.